Welcome, viewers. Today, we're delving into the fascinating topic of the total solar eclipse that occurred on April 8, 2024, across the United States, Mexico, and Canada. Join us as we explore the incredible celestial event and its impact on the environment, society, and human experience. Whether you witness the eclipse firsthand or are curious about its effects, this video is sure to enlighten and entertain. Throughout this video, we'll uncover the mesmerizing consequences of the total solar eclipse on the environment and Earth, from temperature fluctuations and changes in animal behavior to altered atmospheric conditions and cultural significance. We'll delve into the multifaceted effects of this celestial phenomenon. Join us as we explore 10 intriguing consequences and delve deeper into the intricate interactions between the solar eclipse and our planet. Before we proceed, we'd love to hear from you, our viewers. Did you have the opportunity to witness the total solar eclipse on April 8, 2024, in the United States, Mexico, or Canada? If so, we'd love to hear about your experience. Share your thoughts and impressions in the comments below. Your insights and observations contribute to our collective understanding of this awe-inspiring event. The total solar eclipse can have several consequences on the environment and Earth. Here are 10 potential consequences. Number 1 consequence is the temperature fluctuations. During a solar eclipse, there can be a rapid drop in temperature as the sun's rays are blocked. This sudden change in temperature can affect local weather patterns and ecosystems. Number 2 is changes in animal behavior. Animals may exhibit unusual behavior during a solar eclipse, such as birds returning to their nests or nocturnal animals becoming active during the day due to the sudden darkness. Number 3 is impact on plant life. The decrease in sunlight during a solar eclipse can affect photosynthesis in plants, potentially disrupting their growth and development. Number 4 is altered atmospheric conditions. The sudden darkness caused by a solar eclipse can affect atmospheric pressure, humidity levels, and wind patterns, leading to temporary changes in weather conditions. Number 5 is disruption of solar energy generation. Solar power generation may be temporarily interrupted during a solar eclipse, affecting renewable energy production in areas reliant on solar energy. Number 6 is effects on aquatic ecosystems. Solar eclipses can impact underwater ecosystems by altering light levels and temperatures, which may affect the behavior and physiology of aquatic organisms. Number 7 changes in air quality. The decrease in sunlight during a solar eclipse can lead to changes in air quality, as reduced sunlight can affect the formation of pollutants and atmospheric chemistry. Number 8 is impact on human health. Some people may experience physiological effects during a solar eclipse, such as changes in blood pressure or circadian rhythms, although these effects are typically temporary and minor. Number 9 is cultural and societal impacts. Solar eclipses have cultural significance in many societies and can inspire awe and wonder among people who witness them. They may also serve as opportunities for scientific research and education. Number 10 is potential for natural phenomena. Solar eclipses may coincide with other natural phenomena, such as changes in animal migration patterns or the occurrence of atmospheric phenomena, like shadow bands or temperature drops. Overall, while solar eclipses can have temporary effects on the environment and Earth, they are typically short-lived and do not cause significant long-term impacts. As we wrap up our discussion on the consequences of the total solar eclipse, we invite you to mark your calendars for the next celestial spectacle. If you're fortunate enough to find yourself in the path of the next totality, consider planning ahead to witness this extraordinary event. Whether you're a seasoned eclipse enthusiast or a curious observer, there's nothing quite like experiencing the magic of a total solar eclipse firsthand. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the wonders of the cosmos. And until next time, keep looking up.